I chose the book that I'm going to use to make my July journal. And I actually have 2 of them, so I guess I'll be making 2. Can't wait to show it to you and what I'm going to do with it. It's quite unique. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I found my book. I actually have 2 of these and I am really excited to use them. I picked these up when I worked at the grocery store. You guys, I left in 2006. So I've had these for like 13 years, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's when and where I got them. So I love that it already has a closure. Okay, love that. And it is one of these die cut books. Okay, so the really cool thing is, if you see there, it's going to be really easy to get into, and I have some ideas for how I'm going to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple really quick. And so I want to welcome you to day 6 of 12 days of Christmas in July. Are you feeling the spirit? Are you having a good time? I want to remind you that if you don't celebrate Christmas, you can remember that you can take any of these ideas and use, just change out the subject or the colors and use it for what you would probably want to use it for. So, and that includes regular everyday. Okay, so you take birthday cards and you can do the same thing that I did with the Christmas cards with birthday cards and wrapping paper and gift bags. So, okay, so here we have, I just want to show you, this is like accordion style. So back and forth, and then it's all tied together with this Tyvek or tape here. And of course, we're going to go ahead and take it apart because that's what I do, is take things apart. So I'm going to start with a couple of pages. So just taking my X-Acto knife and pulling out 2 pages and cutting them. Okay, so 2 pages, and there you go. I have a set of pages for my journal. Okay, for a single page, I can go ahead and cut out a single page. Okay, so we'll go ahead and there we go. So I still have all these pages I'm going to be able to use. So the next thing is we're going to work with this first. We can go ahead and cut this down. Okay, so if I line this up right here, actually I want to line the yellow line up with the edge of my ruler right here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and this is the Recollections cutter. It should cut through this. Okay, that happens. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold it over so that I know where I want to cut, and I'll cut the other side because of this extra edge here, it was just too much for it. Okay, so there's that. We can throw that away, or you can save it if you have an idea of what you want to use it for. I'm going to come down and I'm going to cut this one also. Okay, and you see I'm pulling it towards me because it's really heavy duty here. Okay, fold it, put it, line it up on the line, come back and cut it. And then I can save those two pieces. Okay, so that's going to give me a giant card. Look at this, giant card. So very cool. So what I was thinking was we could go ahead and take a Christmas card or a picture, and we could put that inside there. Okay, so remember this cute picture of the snowman? So you could do this with Christmas card, or you could do it with picture, and there you go. And you could have journaling space on the other side. So then we can decorate this however we would want to decorate it. The other thing is if you could go ahead and open this up and make it like a mini file folder where it's gonna hold more than just, like, I could glue him on here, glue something on there, and it could still hold things on inside here. So, but I think that would be really cool. I did measure, and the paper that I like to get from Dollar Tree, the Real Images sketch pad, it's 9 by 12, and I think it's gonna work in here. I might have to trim it just a little bit, but you can see if I fold that in half, I'm gonna be able to add him in there, and it will be a pocket. And then we can decorate the edge of that, you know, just like this with our holly fabric, just putting it on there and adding the tab with the staples, just like that. We would have that. If you're here for the premiere, I'm waving hi, and say hello to Chip. Hi, Chip. I'm so glad you're here, and if you were able to make it to the premiere, make sure that you drop on over in that chat box and you say hi so that we can welcome you. It's been exciting to have so many new people be able to come to the premieres. I want to say hi to Amy and to Jenna Lee, new people that have been able to come to our premieres. So that's really, really exciting. Also, we have our Facebook group, Scrap All About It with Dear Julie Julie. We'd love for you to join us there. It's a great community where we're able to share our ideas, our projects, and get that pat on the back that we might not get somewhere else. So let's get back to our program. So I think that is really, really fun. And I am looking forward to using this book. So for the pages, I was thinking same thing. You could go ahead and you could put the picture of your snowman in there, or your family, or you could do photo cards that were already ready that somebody could just add their photo to it. And adding, you know, a tab, could have tabs that come out the top. And so I think that's going to be really, really cool. Now the next thing I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you it already done, because it, you know, as usual, it happened. So I need some packaging. I'm going to go ahead and use this. It's actually bigger than what I need. I'm looking around to see if I have anything smaller. Okay, so what I would do, smaller, I would want this to be smaller, and I would go ahead and, first of all, there's a hole down here where it went on the hook at the store. So I'm going to go ahead and just put some washi tape over that on both sides. Okay, so washi tape on both sides. Do you get where I'm going with this? So, okay, so I want to go ahead and put this down into here, okay? So, but of course this one's Let's see. I might be able to fit it. Oh my gosh, look, it fits. Okay, so we're gonna pull it down as far as we can pull it. And then what I do is I use a ruler. Okay, so I'll just take a ruler. I have a really cool big plastic one. I don't know where it went. Okay, and just carefully use this to push it down so that it's past the window area. Okay, I have these snowflakes. I got these last year or the year before at Target. They've had them a few years, actually. I'm going to go ahead and put some snowflakes in here. Okay, and that would be great with the snowflakes in here, but they're not going to move around. So let's go ahead and put them down in here. But because of static cling, and they'll end up just all laying down at the bottom. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add, sometimes I use seed beads. This time I have these little crystal-y beads. They're a little bit thicker, but I think that they'll be fine. I'm going to go ahead and open this pocket up and put these beads in here. Okay, so that was 4. Let's put 3 more in there. So we have 7 of these bigger beads. Make sure they're all present and accounted for. 1, 2, 3, yep. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and fold this up so that the sequins and things don't try and come back out. So there we go, and we have this fun little shaker here. Now what's really cool about this is, I mean, you can see it already, that you can have your next page could have him on it, or he could be inside here, inside the pocket, and be behind the little snow stuff. Okay, so he could be there, or you could have a picture of the grandkids or something. And so I just thought that that would be really, really one of the things that would be a lot of fun in this pocket. Another thing that I thought would be really fun is if you use like live holly, mistletoe or holly in your house, then you could go ahead and press it and put it in here, or press some flowers and put them in here. I think that that would be just absolutely lovely. So I think, what do you think about that, and using these die cuts, these die cut pages? So this is going to be pages in my actual pages in this journal, and then this will be a card, like a you know, depending on what we make for the inside here, there's so many things that we could do and put inside here, and we can go ahead and probably even open this further. It's pretty glued down here. Could even cut it right there, and then it would open like a file folder. So watch for that. I'm going to be playing with this, because this is the book that I chose, and you know I do like to use the book pages of the journals, the books that I use. So there we have like that, and we have our little snowman. So there you go. Right now I'm thinking of leaving my cover the size that it is, but adding fabric to the inside and fabric to the outside. Let me know what you think about that. Or there is a possibility that I am going to need to make the spine bigger What do you think the odds are about me having to make the spine bigger? Again, I want this just to be a 25 day or 25 page. If I can figure out how to put a some type of journaling on each page, and I'm not going to use these all the way through. I'm going to have regular paper as well, and then, you know, we have those pages that we've made, and so we'll see. Yeah, I'm thinking that I'm probably going to have to, because there's one, okay, don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, well, if that was a page, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, you know what? We're like almost halfway. 10, 11. Where's the other book? With that, we're halfway there, right? Yeah, I think we're probably going to need to make a bigger spine, but we'll see. So there you go. I think this is a lot of fun. I think he's very cute. I think this is going to be a really fun book to use. Have you done this before? Let me know. And find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. But also tell the notifications that you want all notifications, so that you get told when there is a new video. I'm going to put Christmas embellishments up there and a Christmas embellishment video over there, so we'll have a playlist and a video for you to have choices to go watch after this video. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye.